excited. So yes, today is super chill. I thought I would be like super, fancy and make a smoothie. It tastes, oh, I don't even know what it tastes like. Hey guys, so right now I am in my room. As you can see, it needs a little TLC. If you guys don't know what that means, look it up. But so yeah, I need to get this room clean. So what I'm gonna do, it is gonna be super exciting. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning my room, and you guys get to come along. You guys get to see. You guys get to see what I do to clean my room. And if you're wondering, like, is there another side? Yes, and that's my sister's side. I'm not gonna touch her side. I'm not that nice. So yeah, so let's get this time lapse started in 3, in 2, in I can't count. I said in 3, in 2. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, so back to this. Oh my god. That is my middle school, what is it called? Yearbook. Middle school yearbook. I'm embarrassed. I don't even want to look at it, but I'm going to. So, I used to think my handwriting was the bomb. Middle 4 ear. That's a 4. Back then, that was a Y. My mom's like, my mom used to always say, you need to start writing it all out because when you're in college, they're not going to know what you're saying and they're just going to make you take it back. And I was like, no, but I just listened to her instead of not. So I just did. So, oh my gosh. Let's flip the page. 8th grade. There I am in the flesh. There I am. Joanna Drake. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. I drew a mustache on it. I don't think I did that. I don't think I did that. That's so crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I remember, if you can look closely in the pictures, you can see my butt crack. It is so embarrassing. I'm gonna show it though. Oh my gosh. Look. Okay, what is that? Look. It will focus. It won't focus. But look. There it is. Oh my gosh, those pants were my mom's pants and they were so big. There I go again. Look at me. I was Wildcat of the month, so you know. Wildcat of the month, doing her stuff. But I don't know. I think they just told me, hey, Joanna, come take this picture. That was my sister's shirt, my sister's scarf. Those pants were way too big, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. That is so crazy. Okay. Oh my gosh. Student council. Oh, here I am again. Casting crew. Ooh, I look. Oh Lord. I look so bad. Oh my gosh. There I am again. Oh my gosh. They always caught me on the bad days. Everyone wanted to take a picture on the bad days. Why? Why? You couldn't warn me? They probably did, but I forgot. But yeah, look. Oh my gosh. All the people signed it. Does anyone else remember those days? Like last day of school, we had a carnival / yearbook signing, and we'd be like, "Oh, sign my yearbook! Hey, sign my yearbook!" I was videoing you, Mom. I'll take Joz into the mall. She's finally cleaning her side of the room. You know, crack does kill.
Don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody. We're just the men that's on the mic. And when we rock up on the mic, we rock the mic, right? All of y'all, keeping y'all in here just so you and enjoy yourself, because it's cool. And your cozy condition that we create, because that's our mission, to listen to what we say, because this type of stuff happen every day. Well, I woke up around 10 o'clock in the morning. I gave myself a fresh up morning on, and I went to the bathroom to a shift on this pace and something. A mirror on the wall. Who's the top choice of the ball? There was a rumble dumble at 5 minutes and last thing. And you lie, you conceited thing that go round.
I don't think they call
naked.
it the rotisserie thing.
Yes, it is the rotisserie chicken. You are slow. Ask these people on that thing. This child is 29 years old and don't even know what a rotisserie chicken is.
I was kidding. I'm not 29.
She old enough to know. I should have went to their Bible study tonight. Why is your... Oh, you ain't said it.
You said that last time.
But look what I'm doing. The devil is so distracting me.
I am not the devil.
I didn't say you.
Mom!
I did not say you. I said the devil. You put yourself in there.
Because we were talking.
No, that don't mean I was talking about you. I did not call her the devil. She called herself the devil. He is distracting me. I know I be wanting to go back to that. Oh, okay.
My mom tried to match me today.
No, I got her before her.
No.
She was still slobbing, y'all.
I was not slap. I did not slap today.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Hey, can you see anything? Because people be popping out and I don't see them. Bam.
I've just seen an old lady walk across.
Jesus, I was not going to hit nobody. You know, I hit somebody before in my life. Well, they ran into my car. And that was scary.
They don't sell rotisserie chicken at Aldi's.
I'm going to cook it myself.
It does smell like... You go cook a rotisserie chicken?
No, I'm not going to do that like that. I'm going to cook my one that I cook in the
bright
pan. You know, when I was cooking for me and Dad when we was on a diet.
It took me all day.
On cleaning up.
It took me all day. I'll cut that out.
Cleaning up. And if she cut me off, I will go after her.
Are you speaking real sad language?
I hope not. Somebody get in trouble. You're a dealer. You're a provider.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name's Jocelyn.
Okay, you're bored. Just kidding.
She said what?
That was so funny, Jocelyn.
It's great! It's a bad! Dad, it's no baby! It's on the floor! It's on the floor!
Good. Yep. Got it.
Oh, Jesus.
What's scary about a bird?
Oh, I thought it was a bat.
No, it's a bird. A brown bird that you see flying outside.
You hit him, Jerry. You hit him. I think you hurt his wing.
No, he been running into lights and stuff.
Aw.
How did
It's a little bird. It's not. I don't know if it's a baby bird.
And y'all gonna let it loose?
No.
Yeah, you
I think
should
we
let
had
it
some
loose.
chickens.
You
You know why you're putting on your
Not
stir
everything
fry.
is chicken.
Hey, it's close to a chicken.
It's coming out the other side. Yeah, I'm scared. That bird might got rabies.
Like he's,
Yes. Have you seen that movie with what's his name?
like he's gonna bite
That
us.
was a bad bit.
You know what? I don't appreciate your sarcasm right now. He's being very rude.
Big bird got rabies, Joanna.
Have you not seen the movie with Michael Ealy where they had to shoot him?
They can't
Oh,
bite.
that wasn't a
Same difference.
Fight, they tap.
You don't know what they be eating.
Birds.
You know what exactly in the soil.
You got a cardboard box upstairs.
No.
Friend, you gotta start putting Chevy stuff back on the can.
That's nasty.
I did.
Oh, you need
Yeah, that's me. I put stuff back up there.
Chick spray pop.
Oh, I ain't put that right there. I ain't put that right there.
Oops, that was me. No, it wasn't. I'm just kidding.
Chicken.
No.
There it is. It's under the bucket. He got a box.
I need a flat piece of cardboard.
We can make it flat.
Yeah, just get the flat piece.
How about you keep a couple of things?
We are getting it up there, making a box.
You just cut up cantaloupe. You cut up cantaloupe and watermelon.
You just told me to cut the cantaloupe.
I don't got no room no way. I should even try to eat the watermelon. Oh, come over here like a Band-Aid. Oh, I was like, you don't forget all day talking to you.
Oh,
You open the thing.
I feel bad for him.
There you go. Got it. There you go.
Let him out.
Oh, that's the tape.
oh! I thought that was a bird.
Oh, green.
I said we make some chicken, y'all.
I ain't eat no bird stir fry.
I'll eat a bird stir fry. Probably tastes like chicken.
You probably would.
Hey,
Why you drop it? It fell on the ground.
Dead. Hey, we got some
They
chicken
killed
now.
it.
I ain't kill a bird. Oh, nah, wait.
He killed it.
Oh yeah, it's gone. I ain't kill it. It probably got killed from the
You suffocated the bird.
Hey, poor bird. It's a lot of them.
Honestly, you have no remorse. Look at his neck.
Nah, he breathing.
He be like, move.
I'll put him out of business. Then you say, oh, poor bird. Then, oh, Lord.
Don't flick it towards me.
He's jostling, he's breathing. Whatever, him, she, whatever the thing is.
We
it's
should
breathing.
give it breast milk like a grown up.
I ain't giving it nothing, but. Don't let that mug go somewhere. Come in our house. Invade black people's house. Better.
Stop treating it like that, Jarrell. It was still breathing, and look, and Jarrell just gonna flap it.
Go up in my car.
It's not bleeding.
What
Well,
do
it
you
was-
mean I get back ringing?
Well, like when you see him, when it was flying, it looked like something was wrong with it when it was flying.
'Cause he was-
He killed it. He killed it. He was just trying to make it sound better. He killed the bird.
I'm not going to look at it. Poor bird.
It's sad. It's sad. What did you just say?
She made it look like he did.
It was.
It was really bad.
That's exactly how it was looking too. It said like
Oh,
that.
survival of the fittest. Only the strong survive.
He is
Poor bird.
careless
I got warrant for my bird
and
home.
doesn't care.
Very.
He is just insensitive.
I feel bad. I'm glad I'm not in
Look
it.
here, y'all eat chicken.
I eat chicken, but I don't see it die.
What is that?
That's just.
It's a living good.
I couldn't do it. If I saw chicken get cut up, I don't think I'll eat chicken no more.
The mess out that chicken. Beat the mess out of it.
I see you.
Uh,
Bird. Fry me up some chicken.
Who was putting that up?
that's- I was.
And then Holland boy.
Scared of a bird.
Yeah, I'm scared of a bird. I thought you said it was a bat.
You said, I don't know if it's a bad.
Well, I figured out that it wasn't a bat.
That stuff's scary. Poor bird.